Hey, welcome back, graduates. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to add an accordion style footer to your Dawn theme. Now, the reason why you're going to want this is because it's going to help organize your footer. A lot of people plaster their footers with massive amounts of links, and it's very confusing. You want your customers to be able to easily contact you for support, check your privacy policies, any important information. Have a newsletter down there, and just keep it organized. That way they're not scrolling, for miles and miles of links, which a lot of people do, especially with the Dawn theme. So we're going to teach you how to add this awesome little accordion footer, where that way you can collapse and close and keep things organized. So anyways, let's get right to it. I'm going to show you how to do this. You're going to have this little file here that's going to tell you step by step on how to install this on your store, and it's very painless. Like all of our tutorial videos, we keep it painless, make it easy. That way you can save time, save money, and make more money. So let's get right to it, as always. So we're going to close out of this preview, and what we're going to do, you're going to be in your Shopify admin, you're going to click on Online Store, and then you're going to go and edit the theme you want to edit. So this one right here is Dawn version 5. Yes, it does work on the latest version of Dawn, and it also works on older versions as well. So we're going to click on Preview here, and let me just make this small and just double check that there's no accordion footer here. Perfect, so there's no accordion footer. So let's go and also edit the code. We're going to edit the code here, and then you will have a download file which will contain two files: your HTML file for the README, and then the actual code here. I think I already have this open, but I'll open it up again. And then what you want to do is you want to read what the README. So step one, open sections footer, and we already have that open. So what'll happen is you'll log in, you'll see this, and you're going to want to click on sections. You're going to want to go to footer.liquid. I can't spell clearly, it's in alphabetical order. Footer.liquid, and that's it. That's really it. You open up the file, and it says add the whole code before the whole file. So what we're going to do is we're going to get all of the code from this file here, Dawn accordion footer.txt or .txt, and just highlight all of it, copy it to your clipboard, copy, and that's it. Now we're going to hit enter and paste, and then hit save, and that's really it. That's the end of this tutorial. It's that easy. And what we're going to do is we're going to refresh, and just like that, you have an accordion footer. Now this flashing right here will not actually show up. It's showing up on desktop because of what's it called, like ADA compliance. It's screen reader tools. There you go. On mobile, it won't actually show. I'll actually show you guys on mobile right now. So let me just copy this link. And so as you can see on mobile, it doesn't flash. So I'm actually on my phone, my iPhone, and it doesn't flash. See? So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope this video brought some value to you. If it did, please smash the like button, like every YouTuber says, smash it. And also smash that subscribe button, because it helps with the algorithms. Yes, helps with the YouTube algorithms. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching, and until next time.